लंदन से सिंगापुर जा रही सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस की फ्लाइट में 21 मई को हिंद महासागर के ऊपर से गुजरते वक्त 73 साल के ब्रिटिश नागरिक की मौत हो गई और कई यात्रियों की हालत बिगड़ गई। घटना के समय बोइंग 777 में 211 यात्री और चालक दल के 18 सदस्य सवार थे।
So in this case, most likely it is a thunderstorm which was in the flight paths of the aircraft, which apparently the crew did not detect, or the instruments, the weather radar on board did not detect, so the crew did not take evasive action. If we look at the traffic around that region, about the same time, there was an Indigo aircraft 7 minutes behind, 320, and Singapore Airlines from Paris to Singapore, the same Boeing 777, about 15 minutes behind. Both of them deviated to the north, apparently to avoid this particular thunderstorm. But this unfortunate Singapore aircraft went straight, and there could be a number of reasons. Either the pilots were fatigued, it was a long flight from London to Singapore, and they were towards near the end. Other could be the weather radar. This is a 16-year-old aircraft, and they don't have the modern weather radars which can detect clouds below the flight path, because even if a cloud is below your flight path, it has the capability of throwing the aircraft up in the air, because the air in the cloud is at a very high rate, descending up and down. So the air moves up and down. So as the aircraft encountered this cloud, suddenly you would see the aircraft went up, then down. So it is most likely a weather-related, we'll call it an accident, because unfortunately one person died.
लाइव फ्लाइट ट्रैकर फ्लाइट रेडर 24 के कैप्चर किए गए ट्रैकिंग डेटा से पता चला है कि घटना के समय फ्लाइट SQ321 33,000 फीट की ऊंचाई पर उड़ रही थी। इस दौरान ये 3 मिनट में 6,000 फीट गिरकर 31,000 फीट तक नीचे आ गई। ये गिरावट तब हुई जब उड़ान म्यांमार के पास अंडमान सागर के ऊपर से गुजर रही थी।
The clouds build very rapidly. Within a matter of minutes, the clouds will rise to 30,000 feet, as it happens in India also, around Jamshedpur region. And about 2 years back, there was a SpiceJet aircraft which encountered turbulence, and one person died. So that was an accident. When again, due to a faulty weather radar, the pilots could not detect the weather. So they flew inside the thunderstorm, and the whole aircraft was wrecked. So similarly here, thunderstorms are there around the world. So it is upon the crew and the training and the upkeep of the aircraft to the modern fittings which can prevent such accidents.
कुछ देश अपने एयरलाइनों की उड़ानों के दौरान टर्बुलेंस से जुड़ी घटनाओं का डेटा अपने पास रखते हैं। अमेरिका के राष्ट्रीय परिवहन सुरक्षा बोर्ड के मुताबिक अमेरिका ने 2009 से 2018 तक सभी एयरलाइन में से 1/3 को टर्बुलेंस का सामना करना पड़ा। इस दौरान कुछ अपवादों को छोड़कर किसी को ज्यादा चोट नहीं आई और विमान को भी नुकसान नहीं हुआ। आंकड़ों के मुताबिक 2022 तक 163 लोगों को उड़ान के दौरान गंभीर चोटें आईं और उन्हें कम से कम 2 दिनों तक अस्पताल में भर्ती रहना पड़ा।